Hello and welcome to Skill Flow. So today we'll be doing one of the most straightforward tutorials that I've had on this YouTube channel. So the first thing you want to do is open a new tab on your browser and go to the TikTok website, the official TikTok website. Now, here's what we are doing. We are making one of these stand-up comedy videos, and we're going to do it but in Stickman version. Now, for some reason, this kind of videos have been absolutely blowing up on social media, and all you need to do is just to create it and upload it to whatever social media platform that you're working with, and you start making money.
There's this young girl I wanted to settle down with. But the problem is her father is a military man, not even police. So any
The ones you just watch, right? I made them myself with this very method I am explaining. And you don't have to worry. You can actually do the exact same process, and it requires no money, no payment. You can do it for entirely free of charge. All right. Now back to the TikTok website. What you want to do here is come to the search bar, and you simply search stand up comedy. I'm going to use this particular one right here, and let me just click on it. Now what you want to do is come to this section that says copy link, and just click on it to copy the link of the video. Now open a new tab on the browser and simply search TikTok video downloader. Now once you search that, a whole lot of options are going to pop up, and all you have to do is to pick one of these websites for the next process. Now the one that I recommend is sssstick.io. Now simply just click on it. You'll be taken to this interface. Now no account creation is needed. You don't need an account to download TikTok videos. You simply paste the link that you copied from the TikTok website into this input area, and you click on download. Now this is going to pop up this interface, and you're going to select download mp3. You might get an ad or two depending on the website that you selected, but you just have to close the ad and you continue with the download process. Now after downloading the mp3 file onto your device, right, what you want to do is to open a new tab and simply search for Adobe Express animation. Now you're going to click on the first link, right, this one right here. Now with this first link, right, I need you to pay close attention to this part because there's a paid version and there's a free version. If you're not paying attention, you might find yourself in the paid version instead of the free version. Like I said, we're doing this for absolutely free. Now you're going to click the first link right here. It should take you to an interface that looks something like this, and all you need to do is just to click on create. This particular platform here is going to allow you to create these Stickman videos 100% for free. All right, so you're going to land on this interface, and what you want to do is come to this section here. As you can see, there's a wide selection of figures that you can use. Okay, but if you want this particular Stickman figure right here, then simply scroll down, right, till you find it. You want the particular Stickman we use for our video. I think it's called sticky, if I'm not mistaken. So just click on it once you find it, and what you want to do next is basically drag it to actually kind of match it to the background. Right, now speaking of backgrounds, what you want to do first is to come to this section right here that says size. You click on size and you're going to click 9:6. Now 9:6 is a TikTok dimension, and it's also the YouTube Shorts dimension. But if you're going for that vertical look, it is 9:6. But if you're going for a longer video content like YouTube, and you click on aspect ratio, you click on YouTube, you select the aspect ratio you want. As you can see, it has changed here as well, right? But since we are going in for short form video, let's just select shorts. What you want to do next is come to background, and what we are going to do is we're going to select the background for the video. Now you can pick whatever background you want depending on the kind of video that you're going in for, but since we are working on this Stickman figures for comedy, the background we want, we may not find it there. All right, so since we're making the stand-up comedy version, we need something that looks like a stage. We're going to search cartoon stage with audience. Yes, cartoon stage with audience. Now a whole lot of stages are going to pop up, and all you need to do is look through them and pick the one that you prefer. Right, now let's say for some reason after finding this background, you want to make some changes to it. You don't like the way it looks. You want to do some minor edits, right? Now, what you want to do is open another tab, right? And you search for Google AI Studio. You click on the first link right here, okay? It will take you to this particular interface. And what you want to do next is come to this section and you click on Try Nano Banana. Now, this new AI tool Google recently released, don't worry, I'm going to make a video about it soon. It's actually really amazing, right? Now, what you want to do is click on the plus icon right here and simply click on Upload File. Mm. You upload the image you just downloaded from Google. So I can write something along the lines of add characters in the seats looking at the stage, and I simply click on run right here. Now, within just a few seconds, it is actually going to add the characters there looking at the stage, and you can actually make the changes to those characters as well. So as you can see right here, it has added the characters. So simply click on download. Once you're done with your edits and changes on the image, you simply click on download right here. And don't worry, this platform is totally free as well. No billing involved. You can download your image without any credit card information needed or any payments billed to your account. Now, what you're going to do next is go to Adobe Express and under background, select upload image, right? We go back to the platform and we select upload image, the image we're going to use as our background for the video. Now, what you have to do next is try to adjust the character to stand on the stage perfectly. You have to do these minor adjustments so it should look something aligned. Yes. Now that we have done the background check, we have done the size check. What we're going to do next is to basically just upload the audio file we got from TikTok. Now, simply just come to the very bottom of the video, right? Then click on browse. It will take you to your device files, right? The files you have on your device where you've stored the audio file you downloaded from TikTok. And you're going to select that audio file. The next step, the next process on this platform is going to try to lip sync the audio to the character they have selected, and it's also going to try to add some expressions to the character as well as some tiny hand movements. But since it is for free, there are limitations to it, right? So you cannot use audios that are longer than 2 minutes, and we cannot use files that are larger than 1 GB. So as you can see right here, it is finally done with it, right? So I can play it for you here, but don't worry, I'm going to play later on. What we're going to do is we'll simply click on download. Now, if you have not yet created your Adobe account, it's going to prompt you to create an account before you can download. But once you're done with that, it's going to start downloading the file automatically. Now, from there, you can upload it to any social media platform that you want, um, and you can start enjoying the benefits of these Stickman comedy videos. But there's one thing missing, the microphone. So if you take a closer look at the beginning when I showed you the video, you saw the character, you saw the background, you saw the audience, you saw the microphone. Now all of these things bring the environment together to present the comedy, the stand-up comedy uh, presentation or something like that. Now what you want to do is open a new tab on your browser and search up cartoon microphone with stand for a stage. All right. Now there's a whole lot that you can pick from, and depending on your preference, you can choose the one you want for your video. Now you're going to have to go to an editing platform after this part because you're going to have to put them together. So there are a lot of editing platforms. You might have your platform of choice, but the one that I actually recommend is CapCut. Now I love CapCut actually because it's beginner friendly and it has some awesome cool features that I really appreciate. Right. Now, if you have an Android phone and you want to use CapCut Pro for free without ever paying any subscription, then you can simply go to this website, skillflow.online, and you look for the unlimited CapCut button, and you can get CapCut Pro unlimited there for just $2 for the rest of the year. Like I said, it's unlimited. All right. Now, back to our project. What you want to do next is to import the video you download it into CapCut. Then you import the image of the microphone, right? Drag the microphone image onto the timeline as well, directly on the video. Let it present as an overlay. Now, overlay is layering one file over another. So we're going to layer the microphone over the video of the comedy. Now, once you do that, just hover it over the edge of the video, that is the microphone. Okay. Now, after doing that, you can just do some minor adjustments to make sure that it aligns to the video and is kind of fits to the dimension of the video. Now, if you are done with that, and you can just download the video and use it on your social platforms. But if you feel like you want to try and use these characters in your own videos, that is, you want to use the characters alone in a story or a narration, or you want to use it as your character for your content creation, then if you notice on the platform, one of the limitations that we also got was the fact that we cannot download these videos with a transparent background. So for you to get this video with only the characters, you can download a video from Adobe with a green background or any color of choice, and then you take it now to our CapCut and we remove the background and we can use it for whatever we like. Now, this is going to give you a free character video, and I think you've understood by now how you can get these free comedy videos entirely for free. So that's basically it for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.